Canva has an exciting app that can transform your photo into a high-quality painting with just a few clicks. To get started, make sure you have a design open in the workspace. Next, bring your photo onto the canvas. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can find one within Canva by clicking the app's icon and searching for the Photos app. Another option is to use the Elements tab. Type in what you're looking for and filter your search under Photos. Once your photo is on the design, click on Apps in the left toolbar and type Paintify in the search bar. This will bring up the Paintify app. Click on it to open. The free version of Paintify gives you 3 credits per day, with each use of the app consuming 1 credit. Inside the app, you'll see a strength slider ranging from 0 to 1, with a default setting of 0.5. The higher the strength, the more artistic and creative the transformation will be. You can adjust this setting to your preference, but for this example, we'll leave it at 0.5. Strength is the only setting you can modify, keeping things simple and user-friendly. When you're ready, click the purple Paintify and Replace button. The app will take a few seconds to process your image, and once it's done, your photo will be beautifully transformed into a painting. Paintify truly does an impressive job. Your new digital painting is now ready to be used in any of your Canva designs. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Paintify app. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.